Newsreels, we are on a roll. Another pink gadget. We're unboxing the new iPad mini. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. This is record-breaking, you guys. This is what? The fourth pink device I've featured on the channel in a row. I'm pretty stoked to check out this iPad because for the first time ever, it seems like an iPad that appeals to me. A tinier, more powerful tablet that comes in a color I like. But how good is it? What's new with this new mini? Let's find out in this video. But first, I wanted to tell you guys quickly about this new app I just discovered, who just happens to be this video sponsors. Enter Newsreels, the smartest new app in the market. Imagine being able to get to news and info as quickly as possible, as convenient as possible. Think TikTok or Instagram stories, but news. Honestly sold on this idea because one, I feel that we all should take it upon ourselves to inform ourselves, and two, talk about utilizing technology in a way that lets us get to the information we want faster. Newsreels allows you to access news from different sources. It allows you to curate your homepage so that you get to the type of news you want anytime, anywhere. And it's pretty straightforward, gives you the news in bullet format, gets you to the info that matters really quickly. And yeah, it's basically my new favorite app to keep me informed and updated on the things that matter. Always be in the know and join the conversation with Newsreels. I'll add the link where you can download the app in the description box below. What you waiting for? Go download and be informed. Right, let's unbox. Here we go. Okay, so I didn't actually realize, but this is mini. iPad mini branding on the sides. We have the 64 gig version, Wi-Fi plus cellular. Yes, this thing can do 5G. And of course, in pink. Ooh, that's a nice size. Okay, let's put this aside and see what else is in the box first. Designed by Apple in California. We have some paperwork. Oh, a sticker. Power brick, USB C to C cord. Is there anything else in here? Nothing else. Oh, that's pretty. It's that shiny gold, rose gold shade. I like that. That's nice. It also fits it doesn't fit, but I can hold it with one hand. Apple logo, one camera on the back. Up top, or well, the side, depending on orientation, you have your power button, fingerprint scanner, you have speakers, you have volume buttons. SIM tray is here. You have your charging port and even more speakers. Right, let's power it up and set it up. In the meantime, a montage.
This new iPad mini rocks an improved 8.3-inch liquid retina display. It also has dual speakers, and you're watching and hearing that right now.
Like I said earlier, I can hold this iPad in one hand, and the fact that I can says a lot about this thing's size. Yet, it's still a good viewing experience on a tablet, unless you're on TikTok or IG, which still aren't optimized for tablets, and it'll look like this. In terms of camera, that is a 12 megapixel shooter on the back there. Definitely an improvement from the 8 megapixel cameras we used to have. And yes, this is video from that camera. The front cameras are also repping those 12 megapixel shooters. Again, an improvement from the 7 megapixels in the previous iPad minis. And yes, this is being shot by those selfie cameras. There's even a wide view on this selfie camera. I know I say that you don't really need the best cameras on the tablets, but I feel like these are well-needed improvements because I think that the iPads will be of great use for people who will be using these machines on online calls and meetings and stuff like that. The one thing that this selfie camera doesn't have though that I sort of miss, no capability to do emojis or Face ID. Another thing this has to up those online calls up a notch, center stage. Basically, that means the front-facing camera will find people in the shot, and depending on what shot, it'll adjust it so that everyone's part of the call. Hi. Oh, and by the way, you can do FaceTime on Android now. You can just create and share the link here and answer a call on Android phone. And these new iPad minis are 5G enabled now, which means that you can do those online calls clearer anywhere that has 5G. The base model for this iPad mini starts at $499 US. However, the base model for the Wi-Fi plus cellular version starts at $649 US. Apple claims 10 hours of battery on this, 9 hours on cellular. I haven't really tested that out yet because I just unboxed this thing, but that's not far from what the previous iPad mini was offering. The iPad mini is powered by the A15 processor, and Apple claims 40% more processing power and 80% improvement in graphics. That's good news for your games, photo, video editing on the iPad. To put that in context, this iPad mini is more powerful than the iPad released with it, all in the smaller form factor. At the time that I'm shooting this video, which is a day after the 6th gen iPad minis have dropped, this iPad mini has a newer chip versus the 4th generation iPad Air, which is powered by the A14 chip. If that's any indication, this is actually a very powerful little tablet. Though I will say that if you're specifically looking for a bigger tablet, it might do you well to wait for the updated iPad Air. On the other hand, of course, if you want all the works, there's still the iPad M1 Pro, which is a different story altogether. But personally, for my general use cases on a tablet, that's online meetings, watching stuff, social media doom scrolling, or even quick photo and video editing, this iPad does all those things well. And here's the thing, only this iPad comes in this teeny form factor. And well, as you've seen in this video, this is definitely an upgrade from the previous generation of the iPad mini. And that was our look at the new iPad mini. Definitely liking this pink color though. I gotta admit that I actually like this more than I thought I would. You guys know I am a fan of tinier but powerful gadgets. This thing feels like just the right size to casually carry around. If you're someone like me who's not looking to do anything pro on their tablets, this might be worth looking at. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time!